Hey friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find professional voice cloning in ElevenLabs. Now you want to ensure that you have ElevenLabs account, and once you're inside, simply click on voices on the left hand side. Then you want to ensure that you click on library at the top. You have three sections. You have my voices, library, and collections. Now either library or collections, both of these contains professional clone voices, so you can choose whichever. So let's go ahead and click on library. For example, you will see a ton of different voices here that you can choose from, and these voices with the check mark on the upper right hand side, which is the screen check mark, it simply means professional voice clone. Let's listen one so that you can hear how cool it sounds.
Ideological opinion is not merely distinct from knowledge, but the enemy of knowledge.
Sounds really cool, right? Let's listen another one.
A failure is a person who has blundered, but is not capable.
Sounds really cool, and you have different categories that you can go through here, right? You can also switch between, for example, trending to latest, to the most used, especially, and even most character generated, right? So you also have the collection at the top as well. And in this section you can choose between different collections, right? So you have different collections that you can go through, and you can see whichever option you want. If you look towards the right hand side, you have an arrow. You can simply go ahead and click through to find something that you wish. So let's say I want the top picks for English. I can choose, for example, this one, and it just kind of categorize and just give me all of those top picks for English. And let's have a listen at a few of them. So let's hear Mark.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together.
Sounds cool. Alex?
Let me know in the comment section below. This is the COD Archive, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
Did you know that there are a lot of
So some really cool voices, guys. So if you're looking for professional clone voices so that you can make your text to audio pop, or